Glorious! No, I won't give in till I'm victorious. And I will defend.
Oh, hey, everybody, look at that shit. They did change it already. The other upload, or the other updates are in there, because look, Higgins Haven, and it says small, and I'm not just saying this because I'm slightly intoxicated, but I'm saying it because normally it's just Higgins Haven, now it's Higgins Haven small, so they uploaded the new maps already. Oh, tits. I'm gonna, I'm gonna unready myself to see, maybe, do they have another Jason available for me to purchase? 9, no. Okay, so no new Jasons, that's fucking stupid dicks. She still looks like a bag of ass. Ain't got no new counselors, still got token black guy, who everyone always uses him when they want to be dickish. Well, at least you got new maps, new openers. That's pretty fucking sweet. So I'm going to pause it right there, and we'll continue this when we're ready to go live. So everybody, we'll see you soon. Alright, everybody, we are going. I, for once, don't want to be Jason. I want to be a drunk counselor. Damn. Is it that same guy that gets... Yep. Oh, shit. Holy fuck. Threw a knife in the guy's forehead like it was a fucking bullseye. Dingo ate the baby.
What in the fuck is happening?
Well, I don't know if you were paying attention there, Princess, but Jason just threw a fucking butter knife through some guy's dome. I think that's what's happening. Now, in all actuality, I should probably be the first counselor to get offed. A, because I'm at the barn, and less experienced Jasons go straight for the barn or the big house. And when you fucking know it, Jason was at the big house as soon as I said that shit. Why? Because he's fucking predictable. There we go. I got points for arming myself. And I'm getting away from this fucking house because I don't want no part of that dick. Oh, of course, I ain't got a map, so fuck me, right? Oh, God. Oh. Everybody, whiskey burps are the worst. Well, this isn't whiskey, it's bourbon. Well, whatever. It's awful shit. I mean, it tastes good, but the burps are disgusting. What's this? Oh! Car keys! Did you mean to drop these car keys, duder? Because I got them. You probably shouldn't give them to me. No way. Okay, fuck my life, right? I'm going out the back door, aka the butthole of the cabin, so... Oh, shit. It's not working. Never... Okay, lesson learned, everybody. Don't go out the butthole. Okay, you got like 3 guys next to that car. Go fucking get them, Jason. Leave me alone. I'm a lonely nerd. I'm a lonely bookworm nerd lady with glasses. I'm 4 eyes. You wouldn't kill someone with glasses, would you, you dickweed? You probably would, because he's a bitch that way. I don't know. Blaise Covey. No, it's Cove. I don't care. Okay. You know what would be totally tits? Is if in this first house there's either A, battery, or B, gasoline. And then the house directly above it, there's A, gasoline, or B, a battery in it. I know I'm not that fucking lucky, but hey, I can hope and reach for the fucking stars now, can't I? I think I can. Nobody's gonna tell me not to. If they do, I'll tell them, kiss my ears. Give me a Pamela tape. I'll take a map. Map of the stars, bitch. Nothing in that drawer, no unmentionables. Oh my god, a fucking battery. I can't believe I got that shit right. Holy shit. I swear to God, for the love of all that is dick, I am going to leave everyone behind if there's gasoline in that other house. I will fucking barrel anyone over just to get the fuck out of here. Oh God, let there be gas, please. I doubt it. Looks like somebody's already been in this house already. Consarn it and butt fuckery. Oh, someone's dead. Fuck. Yeah, I give myself half credit for getting that battery prediction right. Yes! This way. I got the keys. Let's go, bitch. Come on. I'll drive. You and me, buddy. Come on, dude.
Holy shit.
Get in, dude. I really shouldn't be driving in this state, but you know what? It's simulated, so I think I'm uh-oh. No. No. Made these roads so fucking narrow. Hide my feet! I love top me on that one, dude. Yes. Ooh, do we got a glitcher? I think we might have a glitcher for the fun police to bust. Oh my god, I can't believe I drove out of here. Hell fucking yes. Oh, that is totally tits. I'm so proud of myself. I survived. Not only did I A, survive, but B, I fucking drove out of here with somebody riding shotgun with me in a 2-door car. Fucking A. And I did it by my lonesome. That guy didn't help me do dick. No, I did it myself. He put the gas in. Yeah, it's true, but whatever. I fucking drove. I'm the one that did it. I drove Miss Daisy on out of here, and guess what? We both live. Let's go make babies. Or whatever the fuck happens from here on out. I don't know. I've never been chased by a serial killer before. Who knows what the fuck happens afterwards? You for extensive sexual tension, perhaps? I don't know. I've lost my mind. That calls for a celebratory shot, by the way. So, here's to whoever the hell I helped escape. Thank you for finding me the gasoline. I found the car keys because some Chad dickweed dropped it in the very beginning, so I yoinked that shit. I found the battery. I put that shit in. You found the gasoline. Toast to you, bud. Drink responsibly. Okay, so obviously after... Fun police. We got it. We got another one for the fun police. Order on... Or Otter 152. Fun police just busted your ass. Wee woo, wee woo. Yes, I did. We saw it. We saw it. I told you, everyone who picks a token black guy has to go ahead and be a bitch to everyone else. I don't know why. He's got my last name. It's like Bugsy Wilson or some shit. Err. Oh shit. Jason just fucking He-Man launched somebody out the goddamn window. Go ahead, attack her. I fucking dare you. Where's my microphone? I gotta fucking tell this bitch he's busted. That's a headphone. God damn it. There it is. Quick, plug it in. Get him. Get him. Plug it in. Ooh, everybody, here we go. I'm gonna bust him on this one. Hey, Otter 152. Hate to be the bearer of bad news for you, bro. But I happen to be recording this session of Friday the 13th, and guess what? I just happened to see you attacking that innocent person. So guess what's going to happen from here? Me being the fun police that I am, I'm actually going to turn this into gun media. So hopefully you playing token won't be able to betray another character. So have a fun time, and believe me, thank you for being another subject for my YouTube channel. Thanks, you worthless ass boil. You rock. Mic drop. That could have been the best thing that ever happened. You know what? No. Fuck this asshole. Fuck him. Give me my fucking microphone back. Where is it? Even though I'm pretty sure he's in cahoots with Jason right now. I'm gonna try and spoil his fucking fun. Give me, fucking plug it in. Plug it in for me. Here we go. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, damn. She get belly flopping out the fucking window, you ugly bitch. I'm gonna fucking haze the shit out of this guy. Aw, what's the matter? Did you die? Fall into a bear trap? Aw, sucks to be you, nerd. I got one for the fun police. Yes, I did. Oh god, that's awesome. I killed. Okay, so I've gotten home from work. I've had a wee bit of the alcoholic beverages because my boss is awesome as shit, and I killed 5 people out of 8 in the first game, where I'm buzzing at that point, and I kicked ass. This time, I think I'm pretty close to being drunk. Not only do I escape, not only do I help somebody else escape, but I bust somebody on betraying. Tits. Yeah. Go me, Kettle One, bitch. You know what? I'm going to give some helpful advice to Bebo, because I feel he's got a bum deal, because he's literally the last man standing. So might as well help him out and be a fucking gentleman and a scholar. Oh, she's about to die, though. Well, never mind. Oh, shit. Fuck me in the goat ass. You goddamn right, bitch. These nuts got 2 of them for 1 of your mouth. Stick them in there and suck them dry. Oh, yeah.
But it's time to come home now.
Time to come home to mama. I'm glad Pamela thinks I'm funny. That's all I care about. I'll tell you all I care about is busting that fucking Otter One, whatever the fuck that number was. Got him. Yeah, right there. Otter 152. Fun police. Fuck you, bro. Escaped and Eric the Viking. You, sir, are welcome. I rule. Yep. We're going to play another one. So, everybody, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to join the Bomb Squad. Like, share, and subscribe. Blah, 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 blah. You guys get the spiel by now. So, I'll see you next time. Until then, take care now. Bye-bye then.